Hey, before I get into this, I just want to say that everything I am showing you is 100% real. I have the withdrawal receipts to prove it. You know, I've been in the crypto space for a while now, and I've learned that one of the best ways to earn free crypto is through airdrops. But I've also learned that it's not as simple as just signing up for any old airdrop. You need to know where to look and how to avoid the scams. That's what I want to share with you today. I recently found a hidden crypto airdrop that paid me $50 overnight. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So, if you're ready to learn, let's get started. First, let me show you my withdrawal receipts. As you can see, I've earned over $200 in the past few weeks alone. This is not a one-time thing. It's a consistent stream of income that I've been able to generate using the right tools and strategies. Now, you might be wondering, what are crypto airdrops? Simply put, airdrops are when a cryptocurrency project gives away free tokens to their community. It's a way for them to build hype, reward their supporters, and get their project out there. But not all airdrops are created equal. Some are legitimate, while others are just scams. That's why it's so important to do your research and only sign up for airdrops that are reputable. Now, let me walk you through the step-by-step process of how to join Ethereum airdrops using MetaMask. First, you'll need to download and install MetaMask. This is a free browser extension that allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Once you have MetaMask installed, you'll need to create a new wallet. This is where you'll store your Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens. Next, you'll need to find a reputable airdrop platform. There are many out there, but some of the best ones include Airdrop Alert, Airdrop King, and Crypto Slate. These platforms will give you access to a wide range of airdrops, and they'll also provide you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. Now, let me share some pro tips with you. One of the best ways to maximize your earnings is to use multiple wallets. This will allow you to sign up for multiple airdrops at once and increase your chances of getting free tokens. Another tip is to always read the terms and conditions carefully. You don't want to sign up for an airdrop that's going to require you to complete a bunch of tasks. Or worse, give away your private keys. This is the mistake I made when I first started, and I do not want you to make it too. I thought I could just sign up for any old airdrop and start earning free tokens. But I quickly learned that it's not that simple. You need to be careful and do your research. Now, let me show you my earnings proof. As you can see, I've withdrawn over $450 in the past few months alone. This is not a one-time thing. It's a consistent stream of income that I've been able to generate using the right tools and strategies. So, if you're ready to get started, I'll leave a link to the best airdrop tracker app in the description below. It's completely free, takes about 2 minutes to set up, and you can start claiming tokens today. I check this platform every single day, and it has never let me down. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.